Good evening. It's Friday the 13th. It's 7:15 p.m. and once again we are in the lab studying for our final lab practical. So if you will turn to page 18 in your lab manual, we are going over the torso reproductive systems. The first one we're going to do is the female reproductive system. We'll start with 800. It is the body of the uterus. Number 800. Number 801 is the fundus of the uterus. 801, or fundus of the uterus. 802 is the cervix of the uterus. 802. 803 is the broad ligament of the uterus. The broad ligament. 804 is the ovarian ligaments. The ovarian ligaments go straight into the ovary. Ovarian ligaments, 804. The round ligament of the uterus is located on the back. That's 805, the round ligament of the uterus. We turn it back over to look at our ovaries. The ovaries are depicted as a light green. They're 806, the ovaries, right there, 806. 807 is the fimbriae of the uterine tube, the feathery or finger-like projections. The fimbriae is numbered number 807. The uterine tube is 808, once known as the fallopian tubes. 808 is the uterine tube. 809 is the perimetrium. The perimetrium. 810 is this muscular tissue, the myometrium. It is smooth muscle. Number 811 is the endometrium. It's the epithelial layer, the lining of the uterus. Number 812 is the myometrium of the cervix. Myometrium of the cervix, 812. Tagged right here. 813 is the endocervical canal, the little canal, 813. Endocervical canal. Number 814 is the external os. External os. 814. Number 815 is the vaginal fornix. Vaginal fornix, or in your lab packets, just referred to as the fornix. Number 816 is the vagina. The vagina. And then we look at this model to show the hymen ring. The hymen ring is 817 in your lab manual. 817. Number 818 is the labia minora or labia minor. Number 820 would be the labia majora or labia major. 820. Number 819 is the clitoris. 819 clitoris. Number 821 is the rectovaginal septum. It runs between the rectum. Rectovaginal septum. Number 822 is the perineal body. Perineal body. Right here, dark green, 822. From here we move to the female breast. The whole breast is number 850, the female breast. 851, areola. 851, areola. 852 is the nipple. 852. 853 is the lactiferous ducts. 853, the lactiferous ducts leading out of the nipple. And posterior to that, we find 854, the ampulla. The ampulla, 854. Number 855 is the lobe or the alveolar gland. They all go in a row, 852, 853, 854, 855, ending with the lobe or alveolar gland. 856 is the glandular tissue. Glandular tissue. 857 is fatty tissue. 857. Then right over here, this blue dot is the retinacular mammae. Retinacular mammae is in the blue. And that concludes the torso reproductive systems.